Hi, and welcome to Principles of Leadership. This short video will give you an overview of how to navigate the course. Here we are on the course homepage. Here is where you will go to find news or any information that I think is important for you to know throughout the semester. So please be sure to check this homepage every time you log into the course. Here's where you will find the news. On the right-hand side of the course is where you will find all of my information, including my email, and the link to access my office hours if you wish to talk to me via Zoom. You can also locate the syllabus by clicking on this link here. To find content, just click on the Content button. Here you'll be able to access all of the content for the entire course. Please keep in mind that each module opens up on a specific day, and the course runs from Tuesday to Monday, meaning every Tuesday a new module will open. To work your way through the modules, simply click on a module, and you can click on each individual items or use the arrow buttons to work your way through. To access discussion boards, you can do so through the content by clicking on the discussion board link here, or by going to discussion boards. Here's where you will go to introduce yourself, post any information or anything interesting that's happening in the news related to leadership, or to ask a question that would be beneficial for the entire class. To access your group discussions, you will scroll all the way down, and you should see your group discussion here. Now, you will only have access to your group's discussion. I am able to see every group's discussion, which is why I have multiple listed here. To find your quizzes, simply click on this link, or you can access them through the content as well. To find your group, you can click on this icon here. And to locate the drop box to submit assignments, click here. To submit an assignment, just click on that assignment and it will give you an overview of the assignment, and you will be able to upload from there. To go back to the course home, simply click on Course Home. And to go to your D2L homepage, click on this Home button right here. Other resources are listed under Resources, such as rubrics, calendar, and any other information that I think is important for you to have.